Hello everyone, this is Kamel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to convert dlog footage to Rec.709 in one click. Dlog is a color profile of raw footage captured by DJI. I highly recommend you to shoot the footage in RAW. If the post-production involves some color grading works, raw footage retains more data in the shot, so we can have more controls in the post-production stage. However, if we simply add our dlog footage to video editor, it looks washed out and a low contrast, and the shadows and highlights look flat. Surely, we don't want to view or use it directly. The good thing is, with the LUT effect created by DJI, we can convert the dlog footage to Rec.709 in one click. We can come over to the top left of the DJI official site. Find our device model. Then on this new page, we click on the download button. Navigate down to find a download link of dlog. Click on here to start the free download. After we prepare the LUT and the footage, open up VideoProc Vlogger, which we already installed. Click on here to start a new project. Hit this button to import the footage. Drag it to video track. Then we hit this button to enter the color editor in the filter panel. Click on Add, which can be found on the bottom left. On the pop-up panel, let's find the LUT file. Then we import that to VideoProc Vlogger. Next, we just need to find a LUT file on the bottom left of the LUTs list. And take a simple click. Now we get back correct colors. Isn't it super easy? Don't walk away. If you want to know more knowledge about dlog and RAW, keep watching. Everyone says RAW is much better, but why is it important for post-production? What's so special about the RAW format? Most of the videos and pictures we see on the internet are carefully edited. When recording the beautiful scenery with our camera, there are chances what we get in the photo would look different from what we see with our eyes. To take this picture as an example, our eyes can notice the details of both the light and the dark parts. However, the picture shot by the camera looks a mess. It looks either over too dark or too bright. This is because in some specific scenes, the light ratio can be very large. In other words, the span between the dark and the bright part is very large. However, the range of light that can be captured by our camera is not that wide than our eyes can perceive. Thus, some parts in one picture might appear too dark or too bright. By post-production, we can fix this problem to some extent. After getting to know the powerful capability of post-production software, many beginners might start to bring drastic adjustments to their pictures. However, the results often look worse than expected. For example, boost the brightness part might lead to a lot of image noise. Push the values of tone too much might bring up errors like color banding. This because the picture itself doesn't involve enough color information. An overexposed shot of the clouds doesn't keep the color information between white and gray. Thus, it's not possible to get what we really want, no matter how much effort we put. Here lies the major benefits of RAW. A picture in RAW format retains tons of more data than a simple JPG picture. The abundant color information in a RAW picture leaves us much more room for making adjustments. For example, when a given other information is the same, this photo in a JPG format uses only 3 colors to present the image, while the RAW picture contains 6 or more colors. Thus, if we want to better show the details of the color, shooting in RAW profile is a must. However, this doesn't mean RAW doesn't come with any downsides. One of its biggest cons is the massive file size. When a given other information is the same, picture in RAW format is 5 to 9 times larger than in JPG. Suppose we have a 128 GB of SD card, which can store around 3,000 pieces of JPG pictures. It can only store 400 pieces of RAW pictures. In addition, the massive file size is also the challenge for the SD card to record and transfer the data. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. I believe you already mastered how to convert dlog to Rec.709 in one click and get a rough idea about RAW. If you want to know more editing tricks or the latest news about VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye.